I'll tell you when, okay? Okay, Brandon, I want you to sing for everybody the ABC song.
A, B, C, F, D, G, H, I, J, O, P, Q, R, S, T, B, W, X, Y, S, E. I know my ABCs that you say me.
All right, that was great.
How about both of us?
Hey, Steven, how about you? Can you sing the Blues Clues song?
Blues Clues, Clues, Clues.
Do We Just Got a Letter.
We just got a letter. No.
It's Steven's turn.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from.
Who's it from?
Oh, it's a letter from our friend.
Your friend. Hey, Steven. Hey, now you got to sing this song with lots of enthusiasm, okay? Sing for me the Monday Night Football song.
I read for some football. Like that. You can't sing it with me.
I think he's okay.
Go ahead, Steven, go.
I read for some football. When the night cloudy, got waves standing now. We're gonna get it kick started. This man's all set. Cloud is sight from already friends. We're back from the night. Bring on the game now.
Brandon,
Good job.
now I want to hear you sing the Monday Night Football song.
Me, oh yeah. Keep it now. Keep our head. Cloud set. Cloud sight. Now.
That was great, Brandon.